Hey guys, it's Jack, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the fireworks that are going to be in the 4th of July special. Okay, so yeah, here we got the Neon Force, Sparkling Glory, nothing illegal here, Glittering Fountain, Color Shock, Unglued, Gold Dust, Jitterbug. I believe we have 2 of those. Yep, got 2 Jitterbugs. Those are pretty cool. We actually had some last year. Couple flashing fountains taped together. We just got some daytime fireworks. These ones you throw at the ground and they pop. If you've ever heard of those. We got the magic black snakes. Kind of like snakes in the grass. Here's a few. Just put them on the ground, light them, make a big mess, just like snakes in the grass. Always have to have smoke balls. Miss Glitter. Trojan Warrior. Rose Blossom. Pyro Fan. And Mr. Crackle. Well, those were just some of the fireworks, not all of them. Just some of the fireworks we're going to be doing on the 4th. It will be probably uploaded on the 4th or the 5th. Who knows? Yeah, so hope you watch those videos and hope you like this one. This was Jack showing you some fireworks. And now this is Jack leaving. Bye!